Hi there, human palmans. This is a video recorded on my iPod Touch 7th gen. And this is a 3D printer. What's under the veil, baby? Oh wow, I love how I just softly blow it down. Look at all of it. Ain't it so much sparkliness? Lots of glory. We've got instruction manual. We've got, well, this would be the print bed. Yeah, that's the print bed. And, this would be a plastic bag with a circuit board in it. Oh my. Anyhow, that's gonna be all for this video, you guys. And in case you were wondering, it's a cord and an inger and some clips and that's an Isaac.